guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jessica J, and on this channel we do home decor videos, lifestyle videos, and a lot of shop with me. So if that interests you in any way, please consider subscribing. Also, don't forget to come hang out with me over on Instagram. My name over there is MyJessicaJ, or you can just click the link down below. Okay, so today I have a video for all my home decor lovers, all my home good lovers. We are going shopping at Homegoods, and I actually went to two that are right by each other. And this video is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to do kind of like a reaction style video so that I'm kind of there with you guys as we're shopping Homegoods together. I don't like to talk when I'm at Homegoods because either the music's really loud, there's a crying baby somewhere, or there's a million people around me. So this is just a way for it to be a little bit more personal. So this is new. Hopefully you guys like this type of style that we're going to do today, and let's get started. Okay, the first thing I saw when I went into HomeGoods were these chairs right here, and these probably are the most beautiful chairs I've ever seen inside HomeGoods. They really remind me something that maybe like a Restoration Hardware would carry. Very, very similar to something that they actually carry, and of course someone snatched those up, but those are actually really, really beautiful. I wish I could get the style number for you guys, but be on the lookout for those if you guys are interested in a chair like that. I've never seen a couch that I might actually consider getting from HomeGoods. I saw this and I thought it was priced well. The only thing is I don't know anything about the fabric or the manufacturer or if it's a good quality sofa. So that's the only thing, but it's beautiful. I love this planter right here. I definitely was considering it, but I don't know. It's a bit much. I like edgy, but I don't know if that might have been too edgy for where I would put it. And look at this, they are getting ready for Halloween, not a surprise. And I actually was considering one of these glass pumpkins. Never skip out on the glass section at HomeGoods. Normally you can find something, or sometimes you can find something really, really good. Okay, I love this vase right here. It's very similar to something West Elm carries, and I actually had picked that one up from West Elm, but it was just way too big. This one I think is sized very appropriately. Okay, this pink Watercraft is so cute. I was gonna get it for my daughter, but it's set for decorative use only. So, I mean, if pink is your vibe and you have like shelves to put it on to display it, or maybe your desk, I think that would look nice, but I would really want to use something like that, you know? Okay, these glasses are stunning. I thought they were votive or tea light holders because they're very similar to some that I actually owned from CB2, and they're priced well too. I always like to look at the lamp section. You never know what you can find. This one almost looks like a linen or plaster look. I thought they were nice. Okay, this right here is a dupe. West Elm has something very similar, not as tall, but if this is your style and this is your vibe, I would definitely keep a lookout for this vessel right here. Now these right here, I had to take a double take. I thought these were really nice. I think they will look good in a bohemian or maybe eclectic design home. I just really wish you couldn't see that black at the top. I would have loved to see that wood look continue onto the inside. I think that will make it look way more expensive than what it was. This looks like something that Crate & Barrel will carry. I kind of peeped around the Crate & Barrel website, and they have a lot of stuff that is starting to look like this, a lot of vessels. So I think that is a Crate & Barrel dupe. I'm gonna look on the website to see if I can see if they have something exactly like that, but they have a lot of that speckled type of ceramic vases right now. I feel like this was the trip for vessels and vases. They had a lot of good ones. Pottery Barn dupe, for sure. If you guys have a coastal home, Bohemian, modern, organic. I would scoop those up. More really nice vases. Got a Jonathan Adler dupe right there. I don't know if I would pick that up though. I think I would kind of want the real thing. I don't know. Even though the real thing's expensive, but get the candle if you want that look, and you can totally use it as a vase as well. Let me just say this, HomeGoods, I would like to see more. I would like to see a little bit more in your home decor section. I've been seeing the same stuff over and over and over again with, you know, new stuff here and there, but I want to see new stuff, HomeGoods. Okay, this pillow by Magashoni, hopefully I'm not butchering that. Their pillows are actually really good. I own a couple from HomeGoods from that brand, and I love them. I think they're really good quality. I will say all the pillows, it seems like all the pillows at HomeGoods, the inserts are not that great. So if you're noticing that the feathers are kind of poking you or coming out, just buy new inserts. You can get really inexpensive ones from IKEA. I've been having really good luck with IKEA inserts. Even my inserts from, West Elm are really good too. They don't poke you or kind of peek out as well. Another CB2 dupe, and I actually like that a lot. If I didn't have so much white, I probably would have picked that up. Okay, this vase right here is so cool. I was this close to picking it up. I just didn't like the opening being so tall. But it was nice if you want to put stems in something like that. Okay, I appreciate new artwork coming through HomeGoods. And if you guys are into the gold, I would definitely consider this right here. Something about the simplicity of the art with that pop of gold in the frame, I think it's good. Okay, you guys always ask where I get my moss from. HomeGoods. I always get my moss from HomeGoods. It's the best color, the best price. It comes with this big bag right here. You can use it in like several different vessels or bowls. But yeah, HomeGoods, guys. And look what I found. The torso that a lot of you guys are looking for. I was actually really surprised to see it just casually sitting right there by the checkout stand. And if you guys don't know, it is a Restoration Hardware inspired piece or Restoration Hardware dupe. And then they had that same leather pillow in a square shape. So if you're looking for a square or a lumbar, they have both. Just take down the style number and call your local HomeGoods if you're interested in a piece like that. All right, so that is everything. I actually don't have a haul to show. I was considering that round glass vase. I had it in my cart and then I noticed that it was chipped, but that's okay. The hunt still continues for that perfect piece at HomeGoods. I feel like they are starting to get a lot of good pieces, and I'm excited that they're getting new stuff in. They still have a lot of stuff that we have been seeing, but they're getting new pieces here and there, so that's exciting. If you guys enjoy this type of video with my kind of like reaction video, let me know down below. Or do you like it when I just play the music? You guys just kind of like act like you're there. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video very soon. Bye.